Easter famine. Always with me. That's the way it goes. So I'm taking the day off. I'm going to be here if anybody needs me. I'm a private message away. And of course, I'll still be paying attention to what's going on because I always do. I love you guys. I'm like obsessed with all of you. But I'm going to go show my house some love. Remember that weekends are for all of us to get to know you. We pay attention to what's going on and use information for future topics. But it's our time to get to know each other. Kind of put the symptoms aside a little bit. Get to know each other, and even if you do talk about symptoms, you'll see you're not alone. But it's not like a topic session over the weekend. Please remember to unplug a little bit. Unplug from the computer. Unplug. Get outside. Go for a walk. Do something for yourself. Or sit down and read a nice book. Do something for you. So have a wonderful weekend. I will catch you around. And remember, if you need me, I'm here. Just a message away. Love you.